How is it going, guys? It's Kevin from SubiSpeed. Today we've got something brand new from Grimmspeed. This is their equal length header for the 15 to 21 WRX. Now, Grimmspeed is known for their high quality parts, and this is no exception. They've taken the time to identify all the different aspects of the OEM exhaust manifold to see what could be improved upon. So if we take a look at the stock exhaust manifold, you can see there are several places where the exhaust flow is disturbed due to a decrease in piping diameter, kind of like a bottleneck effect near the flanges here. This in turn decreases the efficiency of your turbo and limits your boost and power. Another downfall of the stock exhaust manifold is the merge collectors. They're just not a very efficient design as far as exhaust flow goes. So that being said, Grimmspeed has taken all of that into consideration when designing their new header. They use CNC bent exhaust runners that are trimmed as a single piece to minimize any points of failure and reduce any disruptions in the exhaust flow. That also results in a difference of less than 1% in total length of the runners, giving us a truly equal length header. They also utilize a cast merge collector that allows for smoother and more consistent flow compared to any of the welded options. To top it all off, they use CNC cut and face flanges that are 1/2 inch thick. The runners are then welded on the inside of the flange as well as the outside to perfect the flow from the flange through the runners. All those things results in a pretty good looking header for the WRX that should also give us a substantial increase in performance. How much performance, you should ask? Well, on a car with some simple bolt-ons like electronic boost controller, intake, J-pipe, catback, front mount intercooler that made 254 horsepower and 264 torque. Once the header was installed with no tune, it made 259 horsepower and 279 torque. On another car with simple bolt-ons, it made about 50 more horsepower and 50 torque compared to stock. So about 20 to 25% more power with simple bolt-ons plus the header and a tune. So let's talk a little bit about the details here. Grimmspeed advertises that you don't need a tune with this. Nevertheless, I'm going to recommend you get one anyway, especially if you have any other modifications. That way you're gonna get the most out of it anyway, so you might as well do it. Now, once you have this installed, you do not lose any ground clearance. I know there's a couple of different options out there that require you to drop the skid pan a little bit. This does not require that. It also does come with everything you need to get it installed. So you're gonna get new Grimmspeed gaskets, new hardware, along with the new turbo to J-pipe bracket. Now, I'm actually gonna be installing this one on our WRX, and then we'll take it out to the dyno to get some numbers. If you guys are interested in picking this up for yourself, the link is down in the description. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.